In this tutorial, we are building a journey which will send email to notify us when a new Typeform response is submitted. So let's start. Select Typeform as trigger. Then choose New Response Form as trigger event. Click on Create New Connection. Enter name for the connection. And click on Link an Account. Accept the condition to establish the connection. Select Appropriate Form. In steps, we have to send an email. For that, select Gmail. Choose Send Email as action. Click on Create New Connection. Enter name for the connection. Click on Link an Account. Select the Gmail account. Then click on Allow to establish the connection. Add email address. Type in your subject. Add message to send. We are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check our output, go to Typeform, submit a response, then go to Journey to check the execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Then go to Gmail. We can see we have received a new email. So in this way, we can create an automation journey to send an email as confirmation to us. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journey, visit quickwork.co.